Quicken Retirement Planner Honest review. So Quicken Retirement Planner, also known as the Lifetime Planner, is a feature within the Quicken financial software designed to help users project their financial future and plan for retirement. Users have shared a varied experience with these tools, highlighting both its strength and its limitation. So talking about its strength, it has a comprehensive integration. This Lifetime Planner integrate various financial aspects, following users to see a consolidated view of their financial health. One user noted that it ties everything together and can give one a head up years and decades in advance on whether the financial plan is going to work or going to fail. Okay, and the next strength of these tools is scenario analysis. The tools allows users to explore different what-if scenarios, adjust factors like retirement age or saving rates to see financial impact on their financial outlook. Now, talking about the limitation, it comes with a deterministic approach. Some users have pointed out that the Lifetime Planner provides a deterministic outcome, offering a yeah or no answer regarding financial sufficiency, without accounting for the probability of various scenarios. As one user mentioned, they give you a yes or no answer when the best answer is more of a certain probability that you won't outlive your money. Lack of Monte Carlo simulation. The absence of Monte Carlo simulations means the tools doesn't stress test plans against sequence of return breach, which could be a limitation for some users. In summary, while Quicken Retirement Planner offer valuable features for integrating and analyzing data, financial data, users should be aware of its limitation and consider supplement it with other planner tools to obtain a more comprehensive view of their retirement readiness. And that's it. So for you to have more overview, you can simply check the website and see more for yourself. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.